Good morning, everybody. It's Dan here. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're just finishing up some of our final cleanups for the season. We're rocking a 3-man crew today, and tomorrow we're going to be rocking a 2-man crew with me and Luke. We're going to get you guys kind of sort of a day in the life of a landscaper. We are about to head over to one of our little leaf cleanup clients, and we will catch you guys up when we get there. But before we do that, make sure you guys like and subscribe, and we're going to get you some videos of our final cleanups. Hey everybody, well what you just saw before was some extra fall cleanup footage that we got back from a couple months ago when we were doing fall cleanups. Now we're going to jump right on over to some snow plowing videos that we got from a couple weeks ago. We don't get a lot of snow where we're located, so this might be our last snowstorm vlog of the year until next year, so we definitely hope you guys enjoy watching. So without further ado, let's keep the video going, and yeah, hope you guys enjoy. Quick transition there. So it's actually 3 days later. It's Friday now, and as you can see, it's snowing again. We're just gonna hit up the same houses, get you guys some more video just to keep the video going. So any which way, let's keep going and let's get into it.
It ain't just sad blue rhythm there. We like to throw back some lightning in a jar, paying cold cash like them good old days. Throw the bucket seats back in that old Skylark, throw it in park in the dark, and in the bars we play a little. Don't rock the jukebox on the jukebox, and moonwalk and blue stomp and throwback kicks. Yeah, we do what we do, and we don't care if it's cool. Might be a little old school, but it is what it is. And this throwback, like a fish that ain't a keeper, like a not a home team home run in the bleachers. Sold on it like that Grundy County auctioneer. Yeah, it ain't only on Thursdays out here when we throw back some lightning in a jar, paying cold cash like them good old days. Throw the bucket seats back in that old Skylark, throw it in park in the dark, and in the bars we play a little. Don't rock the jukebox on the jukebox, and moonwalk and blue stomp and
Alright everybody, well that's going to do it for today's video. We hope you guys enjoyed watching to the end. We should have another video out for you guys in the next week or two for our 2024 snow setup. So again, I hope you guys enjoyed watching, and we'll catch you guys in the next video.
Keep my hands on myself.